Hi, Mom. Time to begin a computer lesson for you. This is your computer, or a computer. Down at the bottom, there's a thing we call the dock. And you'll notice these little symbols down here. And what do they mean? Well, I've got you a binder that you get to have all of your own. And in it, we talk about this thing down here called the dock. See, this is called the dock, and it has the little symbols. Notice the symbols here, right? The first one is Finder. The next one is FaceTime. That is to make a video call to me. Messages, to receive pictures and messages from people to go back and forth. Calendar. And this is one I use called TeamViewer to see your computer and help you. We probably won't use that much, only in dire situations. But they're all down here on the left. There's more stuff to the right, but let you figure that out. So, FaceTime. This one here, FaceTime. When you open it, you will see a picture of yourself. So prepare accordingly. To the left of your picture will be the people you can video chat. And when you click on that, you click on the little circle, like double click, 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 or click, click here, you will call that person. And in theory, they will pick up and talk to you. Then you will see your picture will get small, and their picture will get big, and you will see them. And then to hang up, there's just a little red circle here, or you do the little red circle up there when you're done with the conversation. So that's FaceTime. Now we're done with FaceTime. That one's pretty easy. That's to video call me. The next one over is Messages. Messages, right there, ta-da. So when you click on the messages, when you click on this, boing, this window pops up. And you have a list of people on the left and conversations on the right. Now, when you notice on this page, this conversation by Andre is darkened. That means he's been selected and you see your conversation with him over here. If you click down lower, this is my conversation with you. I've clicked your name and your conversation appears on the right. So if you want to switch conversations, you just click between the different people and you will see the different conversations you have with them. If you want to respond to what I've said, you go to this little box down here at the bottom. So it's kind of got a little oval here. You click in it and you type. And when you're done typing, you hit the return key and it'll send the message back to me. In a conversation you are having, everything you send will show up on the right-hand side of the conversation. This was a talk I had with Andre. This is what I said to him. This is what he said to me. This is what I responded to him. And it just stays up above. And you can scroll back through your conversations with people. And that's it. Then there's some blank paper. So for instance, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit the FaceTime button. FaceTime. And ding, a picture of me has appeared on my computer. And right over here are the people I can talk to. Andrea, Melanie, Danielle. And I just click on that little circle there. Dum-da-dum, wherever my mouse is, and it will call them. Okay, and then my picture shrinks and their picture picks up if they answer. Now to close that, of course, little red dot. Now, messages. Messages, ta-da. Click that, and this pops up with all my conversations. Right now it's on Danielle Roth. So I can go to Melanie Roth by just clicking on hers, or I can click down on yours. Bring the mouse up, click on hers, and then the conversation I've had with her, you can roll through it. So this is back in time. Everything I said is here, everything she said is here. And so we can look back over time at our past conversations. And she has sent me this. This is very funny. She sent me this. It said, for $250 an hour, I will pose as a couples therapist and tell your spouse they are wrong about everything. She sent me that. I thought that was very funny. And then these more pictures she sent me on the left over here. And then my little replies on the right. And then stuff that I've sent to her, like I sent her this. And then what she had to say about it on the left. More stuff I've sent to her, pictures of her brakes. She sent me a picture of her tire. This is me talking at length to her and her replies. So this is nice, me sending her funny stuff. And her sending me a picture of her toe. That's when she broke her toe or hurt it. So this is what texting is good for. We can send pictures back and forth and have conversations. There's lots of talking between me and May. Ta-da! This is something I said to her yesterday. So anyway, that's how conversations work. And if I want to say something to you, I click on your name. This is all the stuff that I've sent to you. Ta-da! And I go right down in here and I type, hi, how was your lesson? Ta-da! Exclamation point instead of question mark. Then I hit the return key. And when I hit it, it's sent to you. Now you'll get that on your computer. Ta-da! Okay, so there it is. That's how you text and send. Oh, I'm being corrected by John Boy. Anyway, okay, there it is. There's your short 6-minute lesson in case you want to watch it. See, I do this like the South Koreans. I make it really happy and excited. And, woo, your lesson.